Do you know how lucky you are to have me? And do you know how lucky you are to have me?
How lucky am I?
Because
Oh yeah?
because most of the guy like this face, but I'm
But there can only be one.
huh?
There can only be one.
What do you mean there can only
be one guy in your life.
who's that?
What do you mean?
Who's that guy then?
Who do you think it is?
Is that you?
Huh?
Is that you?
Well, what do you think?
Is that you? You're lucky because you have me.
That'd have been me.
Huh?
That'd have been me.
Yeah, it's you. And I'm lucky to have you too.
Oh yeah, thanks.
Yeah. But you're most lucky to have me.
I know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because it's hard to find me. You know?
Yeah.
So what can you say about the people that likes me? Because you already what if, because I don't know, because you already have me. So what can you say about having this wife, what can you say about have me?
Huh?
What can you say about have me?
Didn't have me.
Yeah, because you have me. So what can you say about it?
It's good stuff.
Huh?
It's good stuff.
Look to me. Look. So what can you say about the people trying to have me? Look into the camera.
Don't. Can't handle it.
They can't handle me.
Because they can't.
Because they can't.
Yeah.
Because I'm so beautiful now.
Yeah.
Yeah. They can't handle. Yeah, because this beauty is so hard to handle. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, kiss me. Oh, kiss me.